Papa of Papa's page. Today it's a rainy day in California and we're going to make beef stew. This is going to be for a Cast Iron Wednesday. The ingredients we'll be using today are beef broth, onions, baby carrots, olive oil, red wine vinegar, black pepper, bay leaves, salt, garlic, beef, little baby potatoes, flour, and celery. I'm ready to go. I started off here with flour and salt and pepper, and we're gonna flour all the meat and then we'll fry it up in the skillet. Okay, I have flour on all the meat. Now I add about 3 tablespoons of oil to the skillet. I have the burner turned on a medium heat. And I start cooking the beef. Once I have all the meat in the pan, I can start removing the cooked meat and put it back in the bowl where the flour was. Now I'm going to pour half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water into the frying pan. I'm going to dump in 1 medium-sized onion. And we're going to scrape all the meat residue off the bottom. And we're going to cook the onions till they're kind of soft. I'm going to add 2 cans of beef broth. My meat. The flour that's left over if I can get it out. Couple bay leaves. Couple teaspoons of minced garlic. Celery stalk or celery stick. Carrots. About 20 carrots, 20 of the little baby carrots. And a couple handfuls of baby potatoes. Gonna bring it to a boil or simmer, and then we'll turn it down and let it cook for a while. Okay, I think we're boiling now. Yep. I'll turn it down to the lowest setting on the burner and stir it. And we're going to let it simmer for about an hour and a half, stirring it every few minutes and adding water as needed. Looks a little thin, so I'm going to mix a little bit more flour with it. So I'm going to take some of the hot juice out of here. And I'm going to mix some flour with it and then mix it with the rest. That was about a 1/16 of a cup. It's been a little over an hour, so we're going to put some in a bowl and see what it tastes like.
This was 150 miles, 100 laps. Austin, you're going to do 400 miles.
Well, the rain's coming down now. Had to let it cool off a little bit. That's going to hit the spot on this rainy day. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and leave me a big thumbs up.